We're talking about the RGB color model. So if you talk about the RGB color model, is the primary color that you need to know, and the color code, at least the color code range from 0 to 255. So what do I mean? For example, if you have 000, so red 0, green 0, blue 0, you know what that one means? That signifies that the color is actually going to be black. So it's telling us that there's no color. So absence of color is going to give you black. So but when you have the higher range, which is 255, so maybe red is 255, blue is 255, green is 255. So the output of the color is going to be white. There are some instances when you will need to work for a web developer company, or you work for web design, or you by yourself you are creating a site, or sometimes it may occur that the purpose of your design is for web creation. So when it comes to that, in HTML and CSS and other um, language like that, they make use of color code and hexadecimal, right? So no, sometimes it happens that you can just type in the color, maybe blue, red, green, pink, orange. Yes, it allows that. But there are some instances that even maybe you are working as a partner, right, with someone that want to design a site. So the person might be communicating with you maybe in terms of the UI and UX design. Maybe the person might be communicating with you with color code and hexadecimal. So as a graphic design, you're supposed to understand how to design with color code. Now, in converting this thing to hexadecimal now, we have this color code. Just take an example of this, that I said that you should convert RGB, which is 100, 150, 255 to hexadecimal. You just have to work on base 16. So and working on base 16 is very easy, so you can just do research on your own where you divide it by 16. So you just have to use the quotient and the remainder now. But there's one point, once you get to 10, so once you are having a remainder or a quotient that is higher than 9, so from 10 upward, so you are going to represent it in alphabet, right? So that is how it is. So for example, 10 will be A, 11 will be B, then 12 will be C, 13 will be D, just to F, right, which is to 16 is going to give you what? F. So for example, if you take a look at this example now, like we have 100, 150, then 255. So after converting them to hexadecimal, so the result is going to give us 6496 FF. The reason why we are having FF here, because we are having 16 as both the quotient and the remainder. So that is why we have FF here. You understand? So if it's 1515, it's going to be what? EE. If it's 1010, it's going to be AA. You understand what I'm saying? So that is explanation behind it. So you can just go and do research and know more about it. Or if you know you really want to know more about it on how to work with this and hexadecimal, or how you can convert your color code to hexadecimal, you can just give me a private chat, then I will give you a full explanation on how you can work with your hexadecimal. So that is all.